What is up, you guys? It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome and thanks so much for joining. Today I have such an exciting DIY for you. I am redoing some lamps, like just giving them a whole new look. Basically, I have plans sometime in the near future to redo and redecorate my entire room, and these lamps are the first step in that process. So if you want to see me take these lamps from drab to fab, then keep watching. Alrighty, here is everything we are going to use. I have some black spray paint here with some gloves, our lamp bases. I have some black lace that I had left over from previous projects, and then some fuzzy ribbon that I found at Walmart that I thought was super cute. And then this pearl necklace that I found at Walmart in the jewelry section. I have a pair of scissors, and then E6000 glue or hot glue. I'm not really sure which one I'm going to use yet. And that's it. Okay, so here you can just see that I'm putting on some gloves before I spray paint because I don't want to mess up my hands. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray these lamps. And I went ahead and covered the top of the lamp part where the bulb goes in with some foil so that the paint wouldn't get in there and ruin it. Okay, so I just finished gluing the lace and the fur onto the first lampshade, and then I realized that it's upside down. So instead of the fur being on the top, like how I wanted it to be, it's on the bottom. And there's nothing I can do to fix it because I just hot glued it all onto the lampshade. So I really didn't like how the design that I wanted was upside down. So I tried to rip it off, and so the lampshade now looks like this. Not the best, but once I flip it over, like all of this stuff will be covered by the fur, but just on the opposite side. So hopefully that works. Also, just a tip note, don't use an X-Acto knife to rip off hot glue, because you'll slice your finger open and it's super painful. Okay, so the mistakes have been rectified, and this is so cute. I love it. I'm gonna add the pearls at the end, but yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do the second one now. So I know I haven't put the pearls on yet, but how aesthetically pleasing is this? Oh my God, I love these. It's so soft. This came out exactly how I wanted it to, obviously after I glued it on the right way. Oh my God, I'm in love. I'm in love. Here we go. Ta-da! I love these. They are so stylish and so me. I think the hardest part was probably the necklace, because I snipped the first one to kind of like make it, you know, the right size, and then all the pearls fell off. So that wasn't fun, but oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I could just look at this all day long. Let me see with the light on. Guys, I'm in love. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Ugh, so gorgeous. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more content. Also, make sure and click the little notification bell so you're notified every time I post new content. If you haven't checked out my other videos, you should go do so because they're pretty cool. If you have any questions, comments, or you just want to say hey, you can drop me comments down below, or all my socials are at Sparkling Alex. I'm on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. I don't think I'm doing Twitter right, but whatever. It's cool. Anywho's, I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!